Alright y'all, welcome back. It's Big Al, and this time around we got a challenge lock of sorts from the one and only BosnianBill. This is that antique Sargent he did just a while back on his video number 1512. 1512. If you're not familiar with it, go to BosnianBill's YouTube channel and check out video 1512 and you'll know everything about this lock. It is a very old Sargent padlock. He picked it, disassembled it, and then repinned it as a challenge lock with some nastiness in it. And I got to tell you, it is very nasty, not only because of the pins he put in it, but it's really old and kind of grimy, so or tarnish. I don't know. Anybody that's picked a really old lock, you know what I'm talking about. They pick really kind of funky. It's got the funk. Let's just go with that. It's got the funk. All right, so I'm gonna see if I can't. I have picked this. I picked it when I first got it a few days back, and haven't picked it on camera yet, because it's tough. It really is. Going with a Peterson gem, and then a top of keyway, tensioning, and let's see if we can get her picked. The problem is when they're grimy like this. You really got to try to get the tension right, or when the pin pops loose, you'll see it just kind of, it's real easy to overset, because like I said, when they pop loose, they pop too much. They don't just slide like a new lock does. I'm making excuses. That's all it is. Right now I'm trying to find the, here we go, binder. See, it's really hard to feel them set. A little bit there. Oh, it's getting some counter, but I don't know if that was good or not. Probably not good, because now everything's bouncy, so I'm figuring I got something overset. That's going to be my guess. Yeah, let it pop. It felt good. That first pin felt good there, but I'm not sure. Man, trying to keep that tension right. Ooh, see, they just pop. They pop too much. When they break loose, they really break loose. I don't know if it's that one up front or not. Ah, that's messed up when they do that. I got a slight bit of a turn when I hit that first pin now. Yep. But we're not home yet. I do know the core's hard to turn when it does turn, so that's why I'm kind of giving it a lot of going heavy on the tension wrench. There it is. Boom. Got that SOB. Yeah, buddy. There it is. Alright, so now I'm not sure we're going to disassemble this thing. Let me see. See, that was even hard to retract. Let me widen out the camera for one. Let's see. We may or may not disassemble this. I know he did it. There's a flathead screw down there. Let me see. Let me see if I want to do this or not. Get that screw out of there. And let me see. I think this bottom. Oh no, you know what? Yeah, we're not. I'm not going to go through all that. You actually got to. You take that screw out of there, and then you got to actually push that pin all the way through to get that out. I'm not going to do all that. If you want to see what's inside this lock, go to BosnianBill's channel and check out his video number 1512. I'm going to leave it intact and send it on to the next picker. I just wanted a shot to pick it. You know, hopefully you trust that everything's still in there. I'm not going to disassemble it. I'm going to put that back in and call it a day. So this will go on to the next picker. Bill, not sure you're going to see this video, but thank you for giving me the opportunity to pick this bad boy, and it'll be on its way to the next picker. Matter of fact, in the comments, let me know if you want to try this next, and maybe I'll just put the names in a bowl or something and pick the next guy. Maybe we can do something like that. Fair enough? All right, that'll do it. Big Al, signing off.